The secret power of daily affirmations revealed. What if you could rewire your brain for success, happiness, and confidence with just a few simple phrases each day? What if that nagging voice of your inner critic could be replaced by a powerful, supportive ally? Look, I get it. To most people, daily affirmations sound like fluffy, wishful thinking, a self-help trend with no real substance. But anyone who dismisses them is missing out on a scientifically backed tool that can genuinely transform your reality. The truth is, your brain is listening to everything you say to yourself. And those repeated thoughts, good or bad, are shaping your life every single moment. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the surprising science of how daily affirmations actually work. More importantly, we're going to show you exactly how to craft and use them to create real, lasting change. This isn't magic, it's neuroscience.
Hi, family. Welcome to It's Marvella, your safe space for healing, hope, and truth. Whether you're tired of pretending to be okay, battling emotional pain, or finding your way back to God, you are not alone. Here you'll find powerful prayers, encouraging words, and real conversation that lead you closer to Jesus. So take a breath. You'll find a place to heal. Let's walk this journey together.
Section 1. The problem we all face. Let's be honest. For a lot of us, the default soundtrack playing in our minds isn't exactly a kind one. It's a loop of self-doubt, criticism, and worry. I'm not good enough for that job. I always mess things up. What if I fail? This endless stream of negative self-talk isn't just a bad habit. It's a deeply ingrained neurological pattern. Our brains have what's called a negativity bias. It's a leftover survival instinct from our ancestors that makes us pay way more attention to threats and dangers than to positive things. In our modern world, this often just translates into a relentless focus on our own flaws and potential failures. This inner monologue feels automatic, right? Like we have no control over it. It keeps us stuck, eats away at our confidence, and stops us from taking the very risks that lead to growth. We feel powerless against this internal voice, believing that this is just who we are. But what research shows us is that this is simply a default setting. It's a well-worn path in your brain, and just like any path, it can be redirected. You can become the architect of your own mind and consciously choose the thoughts that define you. So, what tool do you use to start this renovation? Section 2. The solution hiding in plain sight. The answer is the daily affirmation. Now let's clear up a few things right away. An affirmation is not a magic spell. It's not about staring in a mirror, repeating a phrase you don't believe, and hoping the universe grants your wishes. That's a recipe for feeling foolish and getting nowhere. A true affirmation is a carefully crafted, positive present tense statement that you deliberately repeat to challenge and overcome negative thoughts. It's a form of focused, intentional self-talk. Think of it less like wishful thinking and more like mental weight training. When you go to the gym, you do specific, repetitive movements to strengthen a muscle. Affirmations do the same thing for your brain. You are intentionally choosing a thought, and through repetition, strengthening the neural connections tied to it. It's a proactive way to take the wheel of your inner dialogue instead of letting your old, automatic negative programming run the show. This isn't about ignoring reality or faking it. It's about consciously planting the seeds of the beliefs you want to grow and watering them every day until they become stronger than the weeds of self-doubt. Section 3. The secret power, the science explained. This is where it gets really cool. The reason this mental weight training works comes down to a core principle of brain science, neuroplasticity. Not too long ago, we thought the brain was pretty much fixed after childhood. We now know the brain is constantly changing and reorganizing itself based on our experiences, actions, and most importantly, our thoughts. This is the science behind why affirmations have real power. When you consistently repeat a thought, you are physically strengthening the neural pathways for that thought. As the famous saying in neuroscience goes, neurons that fire together wire together. And we can actually see this happening. Neuroimaging studies using fMRI scans have given us a window into the brain on affirmations. What they've found is remarkable. When you affirm a core value or a positive belief, you activate a key area of the brain called the ventromedial prefrontal cortex. Don't worry about the name. Just know this is the part of your brain that handles your sense of self and what you value. Activating this area helps anchor your self-worth, making you more resilient to stress. Positive affirmations have also been shown to activate the brain's reward centers, the same areas that light up when we eat our favorite food or win a prize. This can release neurotransmitters like dopamine, which boosts motivation and pleasure. It creates a positive feedback loop. The affirmation feels good, which makes you want to do it more, which strengthens the new neural pathway even further. But it's not just about adding the positive. It's also about quieting the negative. Emerging research also suggests that a consistent affirmation practice can help reduce activity in the amygdala, your brain's threat detection center. That's the part of your brain that triggers the fight or flight response and feelings of anxiety. By practicing affirmations, you are essentially learning to turn down the volume on your own stress response, which lets you think more clearly and solve problems more effectively, even when you're under pressure. So, when you feel less anxious after affirming your capabilities, that's not just a feeling, it's a measurable change happening in your brain. Section 4. Your action plan: how to make affirmations actually work. Knowing the science is one thing, but applying it is where the change happens. A lot of people give up on affirmations because they don't do them right. So, let's get into your simple, science-backed, 3-step action plan. Step 1. Get personal. Forget the generic affirmations you find on the internet. They're a start, but they're like wearing someone else's shoes. They just don't fit. The most effective affirmations are deeply personal. So, first step, grab a pen and paper. What parts of your life do you want to improve? Confidence? Your career? What specific negative thoughts hold you back? Write them down. Next, what are your core values? Honesty? Creativity? Resilience? Your most powerful affirmations will come from the intersection of what you want to change and what you deeply value. Step 2. Craft your powerful phrase. This is the most critical step. There are 3 rules for crafting an affirmation that works with your brain, not against it. First, it must be in the present tense. Don't say, "I will be confident." Say, "I am confident and capable." Your brain responds way more powerfully to who you are now, not who you'll be someday. Second, it must be positive. Focus on what you want, not what you want to avoid. Instead of, "I won't feel anxious," reframe it to, "I am calm and in control." Your brain isn't great with negatives. It just hears anxious. Give it a positive target to aim for. Third, and this is where most people fail, it must be believable to you. If you're struggling with self-esteem, saying, "I am a massive success" can backfire and actually make you feel worse because your brain just rejects it as a lie. So, start with a bridge affirmation. Instead of, "I love my body," try something more believable like, "I am learning to appreciate my body and I treat it with kindness." Instead of, "I am fearless," try, "I am capable of facing my fears with courage." Make it a statement your mind can actually get on board with. Step 3. Make it a ritual. Consistency is the engine of neuroplasticity. An affirmation said once is just a thought. An affirmation repeated daily is a rewiring program. You need a routine. The best times are in the morning to set the tone for your day, and at night right before sleep, when your brain is more open to suggestion. Find a quiet space. Say your affirmation out loud with feeling. A super powerful technique is to stand in front of a mirror, look yourself in the eye, and say it. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. As you say it, visualize what it would look and feel like if it were already true. This combo of words and imagery is a powerful 1-2 punch for your brain. To keep it top of mind, write it on a sticky note for your mirror or laptop, or make it your phone's wallpaper. Section 5. Proof and inspiration. Think of someone terrified of public speaking. Their default thought is, "I'm going to bomb. Everyone will judge me." That thought triggers their amygdala and floods them with stress. Now, imagine they create a believable affirmation. "I am well prepared and can share my message with clarity." They practice this every morning for weeks, picturing a successful presentation. On the day of the speech, that old fear might still show up, but now a new, stronger neural pathway is there to compete with it. The affirmation has helped calm the panic signal and activated their prefrontal cortex, grounding them in their preparedness. They can access their problem-solving skills instead of just freezing. They deliver the speech, maybe not perfectly, but successfully. That success then becomes powerful new evidence, making the I am capable pathway even stronger. And that's not just a nice story. That's a play-by-play of the science in action. So, the secret power of daily affirmations isn't magic. It's the conscious, deliberate, and scientifically grounded practice of directing your brain's incredible ability to change. It's a tool to take back control from your automatic negative thoughts and become the architect of your own mental space. Affirmations aren't about pretending to be something you're not. They're about declaring who you are choosing to become and training your brain to get with the program. Now, it's your turn to actually do it. Here is your challenge. Create just one personal, present tense, and believable affirmation using the steps we covered. Just one. Commit to practicing it every single morning for the next 7 days. And to build some supportive energy here, share the affirmation you've chosen in the comments below. Reading what other people are working towards is incredibly motivating. Let's fill the comments with some powerful intentions. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and start rewiring.
Also, you guys, if you've been blessed by this message and you want to help me continue sharing the gospel, then consider joining my channel membership. Your support helps me create more content that encourages, uplifts, and point people to Christ. Click the join button below this video to learn more about the special benefits for members. Together, we can spread the good news even further. If today's message spoke to your heart, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who needs encouragement. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because healing is a journey and you don't have to walk it alone. Until next time, may the peace of God surround you, and remember, you're still standing and God's not finished with you yet.